And Stidham here. So, Wingstop mukbang. Let's eat some Wingstop. Let's eat some Wingstop. I've got some Sprite. Let's eat some Wingstop. I got some Sprite to mix this Buzzball Biggie into my Sprite. The Buzzball Biggie, of course, to put in my Sprite because I love it with Sprite. I love putting it in with Sprite. And I got this. Got this from my bar cart. Feel like a bartender. I put some Buzzball Biggie in my Sprite. Lime Rita with Sprite. Period. Those are like nails on the chalkboard on this Biggie. So, I got some Cajun wings. 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 Cajun wings. And original hot wings. Original hot wings. And Cajun wings. Cajun wings. With ranch, obviously. Let's eat some Wingstop. Period. With the ranch. I'm going to start off with the Cajun wing. With the Cajun wing. Dipping in ranch. Dipping in ranch. Cheers. I love the Cajun wing. I love the Cajun wings from Wingstop. I love the Cajun wings from Wingstop. Fries. Got some fries. Fries. Fries, of course. Fries. Fries. Fries, of course. I love them fries from Wingstop. Sprite mixed with Buzzball Lime Rita. Sprite mixed with Lime Rita Buzzball. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I definitely love this. I just put some lime Rita. I put some lime Rita Buzzball. I put the Buzzball lime Rita in my Sprite because I love it with Sprite. The lime Rita Buzzball biggies with it. Next, I got is original buffalo hot wing. I love the original hot and the Cajun wings from Wingstop. Wingstop. I'm about to take a shot. I'm about to take a shot of Buzzball Lime Rita. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers to the shot of Lime Rita. Cheers. About to take a shot. Cheers. Period. I will put a shot of Lime Rita, Buzzball Lime Rita in my Sprite. Because those are good with Sprite. The Buzzball Lime Ritas are good with Sprite. I love them with Sprite. I made me a Sprite cocktail with the Buzzball. I made me a Sprite cocktail. Period. Period. Happy. Period.